Hey lokhuza le series iyaqhubeka Jacinta series yabo umnikazi we-truck nje la eSouth Africa noma eKZN ono driver ongayena wala hayi ngeke kuyabheda lokhuza kuyabheda hayi abazwile welokhuza uma kuwukuthi u-truck owner no driver amaphepha banawo hayi kuyabheda hayi home affairs number nangu home affairs kulo immigration Jacinta abazwile hey lalela wefema driver mawuzazi ukuthi amaphepha akho awalungile ngempela bawu7 manje cabanga isikhathini manje 7 kuyabheda ngempela bafowethu nodadewethu asenze into eziright ngesikhathi eziright I think ungasho ukuthi angutshelanga ubhuti omdala nangu Jacinta tshela igenge yakho kuyabheda angisabisi ngcono ngoba ngisho kahle namba abantu bawu7 ingane zabantu njengoba seyiboshiwe nje sokufuneka obhail kofuneka amaphepha mayifika ifona nayo faka phakathi emgodini uyabo so please asenze into right ngesikhathi right I thank you
ngiyaphila amadoda ama documents and when this South Africa about ama documents nizandla ezweni When you apply for the Moses officially, you must apply. Where is the driver? Driver. You are the driver. Not permit. Who's the owner of the truck? Omi.
Okay, the owner of the truck will be charged.
Yes.
The truck will be pounded, and then when the owner arrives, he has to charge
an arrest.
Yes, an arrest.
That's what
Yes.
check. I think let us do that. See, what's the truck? I'm looking at them. People actually change my boat. I'm accident. I was close that out. Just my boat.
manje hey lokhuza asivele lokhuza kuyaphetha nakuba ngoba sibhizi lapha noma Jacinta yabona ngibhizi lo Jacinta lapha siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu thank you so much thank you